This Mediterranean couscous salad makes you feel healthier with every bite. Packed with veggies and full of flavor, you won't be able to stop eating. Everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna make some Israeli couscous salad. So there's two types of couscous. There's the Moroccan couscous and the Israeli couscous. The pearl couscous, we're gonna use the pearl couscous today. Couscous salad is very simple, and when you eat it, it is full of refreshing vegetables and cheeses, and it's a really great Mediterranean dish and also great for meal prep. So we're gonna make this today. I think you're gonna love it. We're gonna eat this for dinner tonight. You should try it. Drop some comments below and let us know how you like and you make your couscous salad. Let's get to it. First, add the pearl couscous to a pot over medium heat with a little olive oil. We're gonna lightly toast it first. This step gives the couscous a subtle, nutty flavor, so don't skip it. Keep it moving so it doesn't burn, and once some of the pearls turn golden brown, it's time to add the liquid. You can use water or chicken stock. I'm using stock here. Just be sure to adjust the salt so it doesn't get too salty. Give everything a good stir, bring it to a boil, then lower to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After about 8 to 10 minutes, the couscous should be tender, similar to al dente pasta. At this point, turn off the heat and let it cool to room temperature. That way, when we add the fresh veggies, they stay crisp and don't get mushy. This part is all about using what you like and what you have on hand. I especially love making this in the summer when the garden is full. Today, we're using red pepper, cucumber, red onion, and chickpeas, along with garlic, fresh mint, olives, parsley, and cherry tomatoes. And the final touch, feta cheese. Mix all that goodness together, then squeeze in some lemon, add some olive oil, salt to taste, and give it a final mix. Okay, we're all done. This couscous smells amazing. Let's give it a taste. This dish screams Mediterranean. The feta cheese and cucumbers, the red onion, tomatoes, it's really unreal. You actually, it sounds crazy, but I think you feel healthier when you're eating this. It just is so chock full of so many veggies. You gotta try this. Super simple, only a few minutes, you'll have it on the table in no time. Try this tonight for your family. Let us know in the comments what you think. We appreciate the support. Please subscribe and join us next time on Real Plates, Real Life. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.